Hello, heroes and sheroes? We've all seen them. Those 18-wheelers roaring down the highway, hauling everything from potato chips to airplane parts. These massive machines are the lifeblood of our economy, ensuring that goods reach every corner of the country. Behind the wheel is a breed apart, the American trucker. These individuals are more than just drivers. They are the backbone of the logistics industry. They're the unsung heroes of the open road, logging thousands of miles to keep our country running. From dawn till dusk, and often through the night, they traverse diverse landscapes and face countless challenges. But it's not all CB chatter and diesel fumes. Life on the road is tough. It's a demanding lifestyle that requires constant vigilance and adaptability. It takes grit, determination, and a whole lot of coffee to handle those long hauls. Coffee becomes their best friend, a lifeline that keeps them going mile after mile. These men and women battle fatigue, boredom, and let's be honest, some pretty questionable roadside cuisine. The road can be a lonely place, and the food options aren't always gourmet. So how do they do it? How do they stay awake, alert, and relatively sane while navigating a metal box across the country? It's a question of survival and professionalism. It's a combination of science, strategy, and a healthy dose of old-fashioned willpower. They rely on technology, careful planning, and sheer determination to get the job done. Think about it. The job demands intense focus and physical stamina. Every day brings new obstacles, from heavy traffic to unpredictable weather. They're constantly battling traffic, weather, and tight deadlines. The pressure is relentless, and there's little room for error. It's like running a marathon, but your office is a moving vehicle, and your only company is a dashboard bobblehead. The solitude can be both a blessing and a curse. So let's dive into the fascinating world of trucker stamina and see what keeps these modern-day road warriors rolling. Their stories are a testament to human endurance and the spirit of adventure. Let's face it, trucking is a physically demanding job. You're not exactly clocking in at your standing desk. Hours spent behind the wheel take a toll. We're talking back pain, neck pain, and a whole lot of sitting. And let's not forget the sheer strength it takes to handle these massive rigs. Imagine maneuvering an 80,000-pound vehicle through tight spaces, backing into loading docks with inches to spare. It's like parallel parking a studio apartment on wheels. Then there's the constant vibration, the noise, and the lack of movement. This isn't exactly your morning jog. Truckers are athletes in their own right. They need endurance to stay alert for hours on end. They need flexibility to handle the physical demands of the job. And they need the hand-eye coordination of a brain surgeon, especially when navigating rush-hour traffic. So next time you see a trucker, give them a nod of respect. They're tougher than they look. You know that feeling when you've been driving for a few hours and your eyelids start to feel heavy? It's like a battle to keep your eyes open. Now imagine that feeling after 11 hours on the road with nothing but the hum of the engine and the endless stretch of highway ahead. Sleep deprivation is a serious issue for truckers, affecting their alertness and reaction times. It's a recipe for disaster, and not just for them, but for everyone else on the road. One moment of inattention can lead to catastrophic consequences. That's why understanding sleep cycles and getting adequate rest is crucial for their safety and the safety of others. These guys and gals are practically sleep scientists, always sharing tips and strategies to stay alert and well-rested. They know the importance of getting quality rest and how it impacts their performance on the road. They meticulously plan their sleep schedules around their routes, ensuring they get enough rest to stay sharp, often catching naps in rest stops to combat drowsiness and maintain their focus.
Some rely on caffeine, the go-to solution for many. Lots and lots of caffeine to keep their energy levels up, while others swear by power naps or even meditation apps to rejuvenate their minds and bodies. And let's not forget about sleep apnea, a common problem among truckers due to the sedentary nature of the job, which can severely impact their sleep quality. Thankfully, there are treatments available, from CPAP machines to lifestyle changes, that can significantly improve their sleep and overall health. These solutions can make a world of difference, ensuring they stay healthy and alert.
Remember folks, a well-rested trucker is a safe trucker. So next time you see a truck on the highway, know that their rest is as important as their drive.
Let's talk food, or more specifically, truck stop food. We've all been there. You're starving, miles from civilization, and the only option is a greasy spoon with a questionable health inspection score. It's a common scenario for truckers. It's tempting to reach for the comfort food, the burgers, the fries, the endless cups of coffee. These are quick fixes that seem to offer a moment of relief. But truckers are learning that what they put into their bodies directly affects their performance on the road. It's a game changer. They're ditching the sugar rush and opting for healthier choices. It's about making smarter decisions. Think protein bars, nuts, fruit, and plenty of water. Hydration is key, folks. Staying hydrated keeps you alert and focused.
Some even pack their own meals, turning their cabs into mobile kitchens. It's a practical solution for long hauls. I've seen it all. Slow cookers, electric kettles, even portable grills. The creativity is impressive. Hey, when you're on the road for days on end, you get creative. It's all about adapting to the lifestyle. It's all about finding ways to fuel your body for the long haul. Proper nutrition is essential.
It's amazing what a difference eating right can make. It's not just about the food, it's about the overall well-being. You feel better, you drive better, and you're just overall in a better mood. It's a positive cycle. So next time you're at a truck stop, think twice about what you're putting into your body. It really does matter. Your health is worth it. So what do you folks do to help you stay alert? Comment below. Personally, grapes for snacks, lots of water, and a 30-minute power nap is my go-to. Until next time, coffee up and hammer down.